Over here on Sam Cooper Road, y'all, headed our 50-acre property. We got trails, jumps, everything. Gonna be an epic way to test this truck out. Let's go. Pretty special getting a rip over here. Such a phenomenal truck on my own property. That's priceless. Oh, I forgot I got the gate up here. Woo! Gonna be fun. Get it on. I've never gone more than like 15 miles an hour on this road. It's really washed out. You're about to see right here. Super washed out. Dude. Ah! Whoa! Getting after it, y'all. Traction control off. Now we can cook. God, just wants to spin, y'all. Fighting for traction. Straight, let's see if we can get it. I'm just spinning, y'all. I'm just spinning. Oh my gosh. It's got so much power. All right, let's see the carnage here. Very nice, very nice. So out here on this tall grass, everything's just spinning very easily. So I would love to see, and they even told me I could do it, go into at least a hybrid tire, maybe even a mud terrain on this. I would love to see it really shred in some MTs. That might be the next phase. Sounds so good, especially when you're ripping. Digging the silver too. Of course, that was a 2-wheel drive rip. Let's do some more. Highly impressed, most of all, with the suspension on this truck. It's set up so perfectly. This road is so washed out right here, soaking it all up in epic fashion. It's just handling it. Everything I'm throwing at it, pushing it. Oh yeah. It's a legit contender, y'all. No slouch right here. Impressive. It is. The 6.2 is just a workhorse in itself. When you throw this Whipple on it, it puts a smile on your face. It just wants to go. It's ready to eat all the time. And you got the foundational suspension components that can roll with the flow of the powertrain now with all that power. And now about to put some time in. My son and I racing GNCC, ATV XC racing the Pro Class Series in the afternoon PM race. Got a big race in Ohio this weekend. Leaving tomorrow, so just trying to get some seat time in here at the property. Custom is greater than stock. There's no sport in the world that I've done that challenges me as much mentally and physically for as long as ATV XC racing. It's so legit, it pushes me to be the real deal. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Custom is greater than stock. The Fox Factory Silverado, 40 grand ATV, all require massive amounts of aftermarket custom components to be at their best. I live the lifestyle too, and it's more than about automobiles. Live the custom lifestyle. And I love you. Peace out.